Hello everybody, how you guys been doing, and welcome back to our channel How to Guide, where we post guide videos. And in today's video I'm gonna be showing you guys how you guys can fix your TikTok video under review problem. So let's say you posted a video on TikTok and it says your video is under review. So basically there's some community guidelines in TikTok, and if you guys have violated those community guidelines, then TikTok is gonna put your video under review. So how this happens is TikTok has created a bot, and if the bot detects something unusual in your video and thinks it's harmful for their viewers, so there are some example. If your video has adult content like 18+ content, or it has violence like it shows guns and shooting, or if it promotes criminal behavior, or if it is copyright infringement, which means let's say you stole a video clip from a movie which was yet to be released and posted it on your TikTok, and if TikTok bot detects any 4 of this thing on your video, then it's gonna put it under review. And basically how to remove the review is to wait. You cannot do anything. If your video is under review, the only thing you can do is wait patiently, because if your video is under review, the bot is gonna first take down the video, and then until and unless the TikTok staff, which means the real person of TikTok, views a TikTok video and redeems okay, this is not meant to be under review, then they're gonna revert the review back, which means they're gonna take the review back and your video is gonna go online again for other people to view it. And in that case, the only thing you can do is wait until TikTok staff views it. Once they view it, they're gonna post the video again, and your video is gonna get more views, which means if your TikTok video goes under review, then once the review is finished and TikTok staff redeems that this thing is good for viewers, or this thing is good to be posted on TikTok, and takes back the review, then basically it's gonna get more views because it's gonna get pushed to more people. Alright, that's what TikTok does. TikTok promotes your video more if it is under review and it passes the review test. Alright, so you don't have to worry about oh no, my TikTok video is under review, now it's not gonna get more views. Don't worry about it. Once TikTok thinks okay, this video is not meant to be under review, then you're gonna get a bit more view because TikTok is gonna promote the video more. Alright, but that doesn't mean you're gonna get thousands of likes. It depends. If your video is nice, people are gonna like it. If it is not, they're not gonna like it, whether it's promoted or not. Alright, so it also depends on that, but don't worry about it. The only thing you can do is wait patiently and make sure you're not uploading content which has adult content, violence and criminal behavior, or promotes criminal behavior and doesn't has any copyright infringement. Alright, and it should be safe. So hope you guys understand. So just don't forget to hit the like and subscribe, and bye bye everybody. Stay safe.